Welcome to Road Notes again. So we're trying to get her ready for a upcoming trip to Carabel, and we've noticed all kinds of maintenance issues that we have to tackle.
Caulking gun, and the screwdriver, the acetone, and the roof vents. We're good. Good morning.
Good morning.
Pardon my appearance, I'm in work mode. We're going to fix the roof vents this morning because we are going away to the beach. And upon the inspection of the RV, we found two cracked roof vents, which Florida sun just beat them, and they were literally crumbling. And we also found that one of our roof vents is missing the grate. So later today we have to replace that when Amazon delivers it. Oh, yeah.
Part of the like the
This whole piece was
exterior
falling down.
molding was completely corroded, loose, so we had to do a little MacGyver job on that, and it seems to be holding well now. So
It needs a little bit more right here.
yeah,
This whole piece was falling down here.
this side was falling down. This entire piece was coming off, and we would have definitely lost that in transit if we had not noticed that. Right now, our bathroom vent, we have a nice little latex glove keeping it tight, and there she is.
So first you have to find all the screws that are underneath when you're trying to remove it. There's a plate underneath all of this. And there should be between 6 and 9 screws depending on what plate they put there.
Have to be super careful because the entire roof, I don't know if you can see it well, is coming off. It's coming up with it. So I just have to go along really carefully and try not to get the roof off, because here's a little piece and you can actually see the plywood coming up from underneath the roof right there. So we just have to be careful here. Put stuff in here.
You have to clean out all the screws, stuff that's in the screws, in order for them not to... Otherwise they won't come out.
That whole roof just wants to hang on. You just...
So we have a minor problem because the whole roof is trying to go with the seal, and there it goes. And it's off. So now you get rid of the extra, and then I'll get some acetone and we're going to clean around it. But now that we know that the roof is kind of loose, we're going to have to be very careful with acetone. So you could pay somebody to do this, obviously, but considering RV mobile mechanics charge you $75 to $100 for the mobile fee, and an RV dealership usually charges like $129 for labor, we were able to purchase the parts. Of course, we had to buy a few because we weren't sure which fit, but this new replacement was a whopping $7, and the obviously the die-core was a little bit, but it's a fraction of the cost of taking it someplace. So this obviously leads into a discussion when you see the roof here about fiberglass roofs versus TPC roofs. And I think, seeing what we're seeing right now, when we're ready to upgrade, we probably will go with a fiberglass roof because our RV is not that old. Now granted, we live in Florida and this roof takes a direct hit in the summer, but clearly this roof is showing signs of wear at 6 years old.
Yeah, let us know, anybody that has a fiberglass roof now, how's the maintenance on it, if any, and how's that roof holding up for you?
I don't know if you can see the bubbles, but if you look really closely, you can see that the roof has bubbled in places. And granted, it's underneath the Dicor, and we're going to fix that, but it's still clearly showing signs of age. And so we are planning on resurfacing the roof in the fall. But I don't know if fiberglass roofs, in this case, have less problems when you're trying to replace things or not. It's something we have to research.
Okay, so the next step in the process is, what's the product you got there?
Acetone.
Acetone.
You can use mineral spirits, acetone, or some kind of alcohol, but I got the acetone because I knew we weren't going to need a whole lot for this area. And you see it's taking it off already.
Yeah, it's just to clean up all the dirt to create a new good bond for the Dicor.
And don't worry about the screw holes because you're going to be covering this area anyway, so you don't have to worry about necessarily lining up the screws perfectly because all of this is going to get covered, which, as you can see, there's this tear here, so we're going to make sure that we've got it really well protected.
Yeah, they're self-tapping screws, so the current screw holes will be covered with the new layer of Dicor, and then wherever the screws fall on the new vent cover is where we're going to fasten the cover into the roof. Okay, so the Dicor first layer will be all around this, the outside of it, and a good amount we need to cover up the old screw holes. And it's better to do more than not enough.
Since it's self-leveling, it'll fix itself as we put the screws on.
Yeah, there's a self-leveling material.
All right, put it out here.
And move it around a little, like left and right, and get a good fit.
Okay, it's on.
So you pretty much know you got a good fit when you see the screw holes right there have a little bubble of Dicor coming out. So we'll let that sit for a moment, and then we will put the screws in.
So as you can see, the Dicor goes around the screw as it's going in, and then what we're going to do, my foot just went numb. What we're going to do after that is cover it with Dicor, and then this project will be done. And then hopefully it's not going to rain before it seals up. It says 2 hours for this one to cure, and we're out here pretty early, so hopefully we're going to be in good shape. These caps are made of plastic and they just don't hold up well. I think we had this one replaced 2 years ago by the dealership when we had found a leak. And we couldn't figure out where it was leaking from, so they sealed everything and replaced it, but it was, as you can see, it crumbled. Making sure we cover the screws, and that is a wrap.
A wrap.
Cap back on.
It should snap in. No, it has
It's on. It's on. Yep. Others. This one's just on. And that's that.
So all the products that we're using here, they're going to be in our Amazon store on our website at rotenotesrv.com, and under RV Essentials. So you can purchase them right from there. We're a Amazon affiliate, so we would certainly appreciate any help you guys could give us. A small commission comes our way when you buy directly from our website. And that helps us moving forward with our YouTube channel and then our websites and things like that. So we would really appreciate if you go check it out.
On its last leg.
She needs cleaning.
Yes, she needs cleaning and she needs sealed. So I don't know if that's why I heard that, so just stay away from there.
Somehow we lost our screen right here from this roof vent.
Need to check all the screws and...
Wow.
As you can see, our roof is ready to be resealed and cleaned, but being that it's 115 degrees outside, it's not happening until the fall.
Since we're up here, we're gonna fix the other vent.
The cap broke, but we got a one that has a spring on the inside, so all I had to do was just pop it into the hole where the other one wouldn't let me. So this was an easy fix. Covered in Dicor, people.
Catch. Woo! Pretty good.
Are you supposed to WD-40 or use a garage door lubricant on this? Because if so, hand it up to me and I'll put it in the chamber here real quick.
What are you talking about, chamber?
Right here, where the gear is.
Yeah, you could probably put a little WD
It's in
there.
the garage.
One thing leads to another thing, and I guess it can't hurt.
No, it needs to be checked every now and again.
What other woman do you know goes up there and plays around with Dicor? I don't know of anyone else.
Maybe you should remember that.
She loves that stuff. She loves her little RV. We need to come up with a name for this thing, since we're going to keep her for a little bit longer. Gertrude?
Gertrude?
Gertrude.
This is old Gert.
Yeah. If you have any ideas for her, as far as names, let us know in the comments below. She's just a little bitty thing.
This is old Gert.
24 feet, or just under 25. So yeah, let us know what you think we should name her. She's like 6 years old now, so she's not the youngest, not the freshest.
As you can see by the side, the way her roof looked.
But she still runs, and
she's good to us.
yeah, she's good to us. We really haven't had any issues.
We kind of slacked on the maintenance, and now you see what happened. Because this stuff always happens right when you want to take it away for a vacation.
Yeah. Yep, she's got new tires, brand new. We have a video out for that. And the tire care that we're using, really good stuff. Again, the product is on our website in our Amazon store. In fact, here it is. Rubber Care by Aero Cosmetics. Good stuff. Gives it a nice protected sealant around the rubber of the tire. And for us here in Florida, it's important because of the constant sun. And it's supposed to protect it from UV. And instead of covering them up with tire covers, we use this product once a month, every 3 weeks. Just apply it. And it gives you a little bit longer life on your tires. So we've also replaced our old shower head with a new one. And pretty easy to do. And this is from PIH, very good RV product. And it's supposed to save you a little water, and it controls the pressure really good for RV showers. Again, this product you can find in our Amazon store, on our website under RV Essentials at rotenotesrv.com.
I'm tired now. As you can see, who does the heavy lifting around here?
Yeah, that's true. Well, that was the end of this short maintenance related video.
Yeah, don't do like us. Don't skip looking at it routinely. I'm so glad that I walked up on the roof the other day because I would never have known these problems and we would have lost 2 caps on the road along with a vent.
Yeah, I mean, an RV is like a house, right? It requires maintenance, maybe even more so, who knows.
Yeah.
But it does require maintenance every once in a while. Anyways, we hope you enjoyed this video. If you did and you're new here, subscribe to our channel. We really use another subscriber, that's for sure, as we're trying to grow this channel. Hit the little bell button so you have the little subscription bar, you have the little bell, the ding, and that notifies you of new videos coming up. And until next time, see you on the road. Bye. What did you say?
No, that's it.
Say it again.
Nope.
Come here.
No.
You don't want to come here?
No.
Why not?